Now that we've successfully learned how to create shortcodes, let's take it another step further and we're going to focus on creating widgets. So what is a widget? Well, let's take a look. I'm going to go into the WordPress dashboard, and if I come down to the bottom, I can click on widgets, and these are little pieces of logic that you can drag into designated areas within a theme. So within most themes, the sidebar will be what we call widgetized, meaning the theme developer will add a bit of a code that allows it to be integrated with all of these widgets. So for example, let's say I want to add a calendar. I'll drag that in, and we'll place that at the top, give it a name. And now if I come back and I view my page, we now have a calendar. And the excellent thing about this is they're little pieces of logic. So I can grab this, drag it down to the bottom, and then with no additional effort, we're able to modify it. Let's say we want to come back to something later, and I don't want to lose any of the information that I've added here. I can bring that to inactive widgets. And the difference here is if you were to drag this out completely, it'll delete everything associated with it. But if you bring it to inactive, it'll retain all the settings that you have here. And then if you want to make it active again, you drag it back in and you're all set to go. So that's what we're going to learn how to do in this chapter. We're going to build a widget from scratch.